One of the popular eevee evolved Pokemon has finally arrived. Tonight, we're going to draw Flareon. From what I've learned from the Pokedex, once it has stored up enough heat, this Pokemon's temperature can reach up to 1,700 degrees Fahrenheit. For Eevee to evolve into Flareon, you need to give it the fire. You need to let it touch a Firestone. On the original Pokemon series, Eevee evolved using 3 stones: Fire, Thunder, and Water. Each one of those stones can evolve it into either Flareon, Jolteon, or Vaporeon. As we all know it, they would have been great starter Pokemon. Here's Flareon's tail. You need to be sure it's all big and bushy. It's finished. There he is. That's how you draw Flareon. From the original Pokemon series. We are almost finished with completing all the Eevee evolved Pokemon. We still got ways to finish. There are still 2 more Eevee evolutions out there, and we're not going to stop until they're both complete.